What you're looking at is not a ruin. This is a tomb for a purpose so vast we've forgotten its name. From the air, it's a scar. On the ground, it's a locked door. And today, we're finding the key. What they built here was meant to last forever and to be forgotten by everyone. But forever is a very long time. See the precision. Every gear is meshed in perfect, silent alignment. Every bolt was torqued to a specification lost to history. This machine wasn't destroyed in a cataclysm. It was shut down with immense care and with terrifying intention. Then, it was sealed. So the first question isn't, what is this? It's far more chilling. What were they so desperately trying to lock inside? Now step back, let the scale warp your mind. This isn't a valley filled with machines. The valley itself is the machine. A single integrated entity larger than a city. Every cliff, every metal plane is a component. And at its heart, a dark, spire-like nexus. Our thermal cameras reveal what your eyes can't see. A faint, ghostly heat signature deep below. It's cold, but not dead. Cliffhanger 1. Something down there is still on standby. There are no roads here, no living quarters, no control rooms for humans. This was built for one function, to run autonomously for millennia. To contain, to stabilize, to wait. Notice the lack of warning signs. They didn't fear trespassers, they feared interruption. The process was too critical to risk anyone ever finding the off switch. This changes everything. This is just the surface. We go deeper into the world's silent zone so you don't have to. If you want to uncover the secrets they tried to bury forever, hit subscribe and ring the bell. The truth we find is always stranger than the myth. And what we find next will redefine strange. Life itself rejects this place. Lush forest surrounds it, but nothing crosses the perimeter. The soil is engineered, a sterile, lifeless buffer. This wasn't for safety, it was for purity. The machine required absolute biological silence to hear. What? But then we found it, a small, pristine service hatch. Its metal is different, less corroded. Cliffhanger 2. This hatch isn't ancient. Someone was here long after the shutdown. We're going in, past hydraulic deadbolts thicker than a tree trunk, down maintenance shafts where light hasn't touched for centuries. The air gets warmer, thicker, and then you feel it. Not a sound, but a vibration, a deep rhythmic thrumming in your bones. The overwhelming silence from the surface, it was a lie. Down here the machine is breathing, and it knows we're here. The shaft opens into a cavern that defies reason, a vast cathedral-like space, and at its center, the core. It's not a reactor, it's a prison, a crystalline structure, pulsing with a dull, captured light. Ancient robotic arms stand frozen around it like guards. This entire valley megastructure is a stabilization chamber. It's not making power, it's containing a potential, a reaction they couldn't stop. So they did the only thing they could. They built a universe around it. A self-sustaining perpetual machine to hold it in perfect eternal balance. It is a cage built from the fabric of geology and engineering. A sacrifice to physics itself. We shine our light on the core and its pulse subtly quickens. Major cliffhanger 3. Did it just react to us? This is the horrifying truth. They didn't build a machine for us. They built the final machine despite us. Its sole function, to be forgotten, to run in silent, perpetual guardianship over a truth too dangerous to know and too permanent to destroy. Our discovery here isn't a victory. It is the catastrophic failure its builders feared most. We are the interruption. Think about that. Every perfect gear, every ton of steel, every silent century has one goal: to make you look away, to make the world forget. What principle is so dangerous that the only solution is to hide it inside a planet and pray no one ever comes looking? The answer is down here with us, and it's waking up. Let's return to that newer hatch. Its minimal corrosion suggests activity within the last few decades, not centuries. Was it maintenance, an upgrade, or did something from inside need to get out? This machine wasn't just sleeping, it's been tended to. By whom or by what? The plot has just thickened into a conspiracy across time. Pause this video. Look at the core. What do you think it contains? A collapsed star fragment? A tear in reality? A captured god? Put your theory in the comments right now. We read every single one. The most compelling ideas guide our next expeditions. This mystery is now yours to solve with us. They poured their entire civilization's genius into building a tomb so perfect it would become part of the landscape. A monument to absence. They gambled that eternity would grant them obscurity. They lost that bet. The door is open. The silence is broken. And what happens next is an experiment they never wanted to run. We came seeking a marvel of engineering. We found a confession of ultimate limitation. This is the edge of human understanding, rendered in steel and despair. The final machine is a lesson. Some forces are not meant to be harnessed, only sequestered. And our curiosity might be the flaw that undoes it all. We walk this line so you can stand at the edge of discovery from the safety of your screen. If this journey into the silent heart of the world changed your perspective, like this video, share it with someone who needs to see it, and make sure you are subscribed, because we are about to cross a new threshold. Some doors once opened change everything. We'll see you in the next silence.